Looking at our diagram here, on the left side you can see our mass airflow sensor, which is a 4-wire, and on the right side you can see our manifold absolute pressure sensor that is also shared with our intake air temperature sensor, which is also a 4-wire. Looking deeper into our mass airflow sensor, you can see pin 1 we have our 5-volt supply. With pin 2 we have our mass airflow sensor signal wire. With pin 3 we have our LIN bus line, which is our high-speed communication line back to the PCM. And pin 4 we have our ground. Looking at our map and intake air temp sensor, you can see pin 1 here we have our pre-throttle air temperature signal, or signal wire. Pin 2 we have our 5-volt reference wire. Pin 3 we have our low reference. And pin 4 we have our sensor signal, sending our signal back to the PCM.
Weight, we're sitting at 3.5 kilohertz here on the Pico scope. And if we move on over here, see it's on the Chevy Colorado, which roughly matches what we got last time for our idle kilohertz. All right, 1,000. .2, which matches our 3.8. All right, 1,500. We should be looking for about a 2.9 kilohertz. And we've got 2.93. Starting to get a little closer together. 2,000. 2,000 kilohertz, we should be seeing around 2,700, which 28 is about right. Watch these waveforms. They will continue to get closer and closer. 2,000, 25. So 2,500. We have 2.6. About what we got there. 3K. About 2.4. As you can see the. Alright, off. And whenever we watch them, we can see them start to get closer together. Thank you guys.
Here we have our mass airflow PED. As you can see, we're sitting at 3.69 grams per second. Going wide open throttle stab. Shoots all the way up to 16 grams per second. Back down. 1,000. 1,500. 2,000. 2,500. 3,000. 1,000. Wide open. With the engine at idle, we're going to unplug the mass airflow sensor and see how it affects our operation. Upon unplugging, we realize that we have no visual or audio difference. Now we're going to reconnect while idling and see if it makes any change to our RPM. Engine RPM is still unaffected. We We will now be trying to start the engine with our mass airflow sensor disconnected. Engine starts up no problem. Idle sounds slightly bogged down and low. Now we're going to take our map that is unplugged and plug it back in. If you notice, the engine's running, does not change. But coming back down here, now as you can see, we're sitting at 0.5 volt.